Hey guys, I want to talk to you about something we all do when we are uncomfortable. And I'm going to tell you why it's not helpful and what we can do instead. Welcome to Tuesday and another edition of Thoughts on Things. In challenging seasons like this one, we all have a tendency to do something that isn't helpful at all, but it's very human of us to do. When we are uncomfortable, we tend to complain and blame circumstances and others for our discomfort. It's kind of what we do. It's easy. It's a default setting of sorts. But as the leader of a business, company, organization, or team, trust me, that behavior is not going to be helpful navigating through your challenging season. Complaining and blaming are a problem because where complaining and blaming start, progress ends. That's right. When we start complaining and blaming our circumstances, we stop making progress. So it's important for us to push beyond what is the very basic and most simple thing for anyone to do when they're uncomfortable. Blame and complain. What do we do instead? We press past that easy thing of saying that's wrong, that's broke, that doesn't work, to actually becoming innovative, creative, and problem solving. If you're the leader of a business, company, organization, or team, the way you're going to make the most of a challenging season is by becoming a problem solver, not a problem fixator. That sounds weird because you want to fix your problem. No, you know what I mean. When you get fixated on a problem, that's all you see. You want to get past it. You want to see the solutions, and you want to train your team and your people to be problem solvers, not people who just get stuck on being focused on the fact that there is a problem. So how do we move out of this most basic human response to discomfort? By remembering that progress is our goal. We want to benefit from this season. And by doing so, we're going to have to move beyond the very basic element of just complaining and blaming. Where complaining and blaming start, progress stops. If you'll press through and begin to become innovative, change the way you think about your situation, and become a problem solver and let that be where you focus your energy, you might be surprised at how beneficial even a challenging season like this one can really be. Disruptions are unavoidable. Being prepared, that's a choice. Is your team ready for the next disruption? We can help.